Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to create professional AI videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, marketing campaigns, or even client projects without expensive software, video editing skills, or hiring freelancers, then today's review is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what AI Vidioz is, how it works, its key features, pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth your money or not. Plus, if you decide to pick up AI Vidioz through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package absolutely free. So make sure you watch this review until the end. Introduction: AI video creation is exploding right now. Businesses, marketers, affiliate marketers, YouTubers, and content creators are all looking for faster ways to create engaging videos without spending hours editing. That's where AI Vidioz comes in. According to the creators, AI Vidioz is designed to help users generate high-quality videos using artificial intelligence, allowing anyone to create content quickly without complicated editing software. AI video platforms are becoming popular because they can automate scripting, voiceovers, visuals, and video production workflows. But does AI Vidioz really deliver? Let's find out. And before we dive into the review, if you decide to pick up AI Vidioz through my link in the description below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package completely free. Bonus number 1, AI Video Ads, Mastery, Video Course. Bonus 2, 200 plus AI Video Prompts. Pack bonus number 3, Premium Video Editing Assets. Pack bonus number 4, Top 20 AI Tools. Bundle with direct links, 2026 bonus. 5, Step-by-step money making. Guide. These bonuses are designed to help you create better videos, generate more traffic, and maximize your results with AI Vidioz. So make sure to check the first link in the description if you decide to grab it. If you find this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest software reviews, AI tools, affiliate marketing tips, and exclusive bonus offers. Now, let's jump into the review and see whether AI Vidioz is worth your investment or not. What is AI Vidioz? AI Vidioz is an AI-powered video creation platform. The AI software aims to help users create different types of videos, such as marketing, video social media, videos promotional, videos product videos, YouTube, videos business videos training, videos explainer videos. Instead of spending hours editing manually, users can simply enter their content, choose styles and settings, and let the AI generate videos automatically. The goal is to save time, reduce costs, and make video creation accessible to beginners. Features and benefits. Feature number 1, AI Video Creation Lab. Main feature is the ability to generate videos using AI technology. This means users can produce content much faster compared to traditional video editing methods. AI video generators typically automate scripting, scene creation, voiceovers, and visual assembly. Feature number 2, beginner-friendly. One thing I like is that you don't need advanced video editing skills. Everything is designed for beginners. Simply follow the step-by-step process and generate videos quickly. Feature number 3, multiple video types you can create content for. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, Facebook, ads, affiliate marketing, local businesses, e-commerce promotions. This gives users multiple ways to monetize the software. Feature number 4, time. Saving traditional video creation can take hours. AI tools help reduce that workload significantly by automating many production tasks. Feature number 5, commercial opportunities. Many users may use the software to create videos for clients. This can open opportunities for freelance services, agency work, or local business marketing. Feature number 6, cloud-based. Since it's cloud-based, there's no need to download heavy software. You can access everything through your browser. Demo section. Now let me show you the members area.
Hello, and next is AI Voices. Here you can generate realistic voiceovers in multiple languages and accents. Simply enter your script, select a language, choose a voice, click Submit, and your AI voiceover is generated automatically. Natural-sounding voices without recording anything yourself.
The Lost Key. One rainy evening, a boy named Ali found an old key on the sidewalk. Curious, he picked it up and searched for the lock it belonged to. After walking through the neighborhood, he noticed a small wooden box hidden beneath a park bench. The key fit perfectly. Inside was a note that read, "To whoever finds this, remember, kindness is the greatest treasure."
Now, let's check out the AI Image Editor. This powerful editor allows you to add text, add shapes, insert images, customize designs, create graphics, edit visual content. Perfect for creating professional. You also get access to a built-in stock assets library. Quickly find images, graphics, design elements. You also get bonus resources, step-by-step training, dedicated support, and regular updates. Everything designed to help you succeed, instead of spending hours creating content manually. AI Vidioz helps you create videos, voiceovers, scripts, and graphics from one powerful dashboard. Create faster, work smarter, scale easier. That's the power of AI Vidioz. Now it's your turn. Log in, explore the features, and start creating amazing content today.
Pros and cons. Pros: beginner friendly, fast video creation, no editing skills required. Cloud-based platform, multiple use cases, potential client services. Opportunity. Cons: results may still require some customization. AI-generated content quality can vary depending on your inputs. Some advanced features may be available only through upgrades. Who is this for? I believe AI Vidioz is ideal for affiliate marketers, content creators, YouTubers, freelancers, digital marketers, social media managers, local business owners, beginners looking to start online. If you regularly create video content, this tool could save a lot of time. Pricing and OTOs. Let's talk about pricing. The front-end version is usually the most affordable way to get started. However, there may also be several upgrades or OTOs available. These upgrades typically offer more features, more templates, additional AI tools, commercial capabilities, agency rights. Always review each upgrade carefully and only purchase what fits your needs. So, is AI Vidioz worth it? If you're looking for a faster way to create videos using AI without dealing with complicated editing software, then AI Vidioz appears to be a solid option. It can help save time, simplify content creation, and potentially open new income opportunities through client services and video marketing. As always, I recommend watching the demo carefully and evaluating whether the features match your business goals. If you'd like to get AI Vidioz at the lowest available price and claim my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.